Namaste DP Fam, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. There is something special about evenings, don't you think? That quiet pause between the busyness of the day and the calm of the night. And that's exactly where I am catching you today. It's a weekday evening and I am home alone. Subro is still at the office, so it's just me for now. Honestly, walking into the house after a long day feels so refreshing. The soft glow of the evening lights, the silence. It instantly puts me at ease. I have changed into something comfy, lit a lamp, and I'm slowly easing into the evening rhythm. Now, I'm heading to the kitchen to make myself a warm cup of coffee, something I always look forward to. But before that, I'm going to put some chickpeas in the pressure cooker. I soaked them earlier this morning, so they just need a little bit of cooking now. I'll be using them to make usli. It's a South Indian salad made with cooked chickpeas, tempered with mustard seeds, green chilies, and curry leaves. A touch of grated coconut on top. It's light, wholesome, and really satisfying. It's protein rich, light, and perfect for evenings when you don't want something too heavy. I love having a bowl of it warm, sometimes with a cup of buttermilk or even wrapped in a roti. Now, while the chickpeas are cooking, I'll get that coffee going. There is something therapeutic about making coffee in the evening. That slow pour, the aroma filling up the kitchen, and that first sip. It instantly resets my mood. Now it's the next evening. Today is a bit different. It's the weekend for Subro and mine starts tomorrow. So the mood is definitely more relaxed. The weather is changed too. It's been raining gently since the afternoon. Subro is making chicken in the air fryer tonight. His special spice mix and all. While that's cooking, I thought I would share something with you. A couple of months ago, we bought the Cosori Air Fryer. And honestly, it's been one of the most useful kitchen gadgets we have added recently. This isn't a sponsored video, just a real take from our experience. We have used it for everything from fries and paneer to chicken and even reheating the leftovers. Now, if you know the benefits, there are many. It cooks faster than the oven, it uses less oil, it is super easy to clean, and it doesn't heat up the whole kitchen. So it has a matte finish. So this is the basket, this is the base. We just have to place it over here. So this is what our air fryer looks like. These are all the cautions they have put here. So it says when it's hot, don't touch, and do not fill this with oil, and before plugging in you should remove all the plastics from the basket and the crisper plate, and the hot crisper plate may fall out when turning over the basket. Remove this. Wow, just touch screen. It's really versatile. We have experimented with everything from tandoori mushrooms to toast, and each time the texture comes out surprisingly good. Right now, the chicken is in the air fryer, and the house smells amazing. There is something cozy about hearing the low hum of the air fryer, the rain outside, and just being in this shared space, doing our own things but together. These small everyday moments, they are what I cherish the most. Alright, that's it for this vlog. A simple weekday evening followed by a slower, cozier one. Nothing fancy, just real life. And sometimes that's more than enough. Thanks for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this slow, homey evening with us. If you did, don't forget to like, comment or subscribe if you would like to see more vlogs like this. I read every comment and your support truly means a lot. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.